Alright, a little update on the RZR cover. It's a work in progress. Got a lot of these edges to clean up and a lot of edges to finish yet. Gotta make a bunch of brackets, but before it's done it won't look so damn goofy. It's coming together with the DeLorean doors. Just pull them open like so. Kind of locks in there. And I still got to figure out a way to cover that up. I'm thinking maybe a piece of canvas. That way you can reach in there and open the door pretty easy. But yep, this is how it is so far. It'll look a lot better when it's all done. This is not quite there yet. And it's the light bar in there, it's got to go on top yet.